oil, some seasoning. I hope you like this video. Preheat the oven to 275. Now we're going to start with some oil. Now time to rub it in. Now when we're done washing our hands, add some seasoning. That's enough. Now rub it in with your hands. Put the steaks directly on the rack. Now put the pan under, exactly under it. Need to push these together so you can get all the drips. Now press start, and now we have to wait. Cook for 30 minutes. I'll turn the grill to high heat. On these two. Now we have to wait. Time to take the steak out. Let it cook for 1 minute on each side. Here's the finished touch of the steak. Let's go try a little piece. I hope you try this at home. Give me a huge thumbs up. Click the subscribe button. Bye! Chicken, yeah, yeah, yeah. Chickens. Oh, these fresh. Preheat your oven, your steak to preheat.